Today's topic is CBDC. CBDC means what? Central Bank's Digital Currency. Central banks means here RBI is coming up with the CBDC digital currency, means there won't be any notes for this currency. Those who don't know, kindly watch this video till the end. Okay, I'm explaining you all the topics also over here. What is it actually? Okay, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you'll be getting the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, live classes, okay, question bank, tests, ebooks, whatever you need for JAIIB and CAIIB, you'll be getting it over here. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the updates for JAIIB, CAIIB, and various banking exams. Plus, you will be getting the free YouTube series for all the topics on JAIIB and CAIIB. So, click on this, click on the bell icon, subscribe to the channel. Now, these are the batches. Okay, this is the Jan 23rd batch which has already started, and remember, you are getting huge discounts on it. Use the code Y432. I'll come to the discount part later. Okay, I'll show you how to get the discounts. Okay, but all the 4 subjects are covered. All the numericals, case studies, objective questions, whatever is required, it is covered. Okay, now let me first explain you what is CBDC. Okay, then we'll go to the objective questions. Central Bank Digital Currency, CBDC. Central Bank Digital Currency are digital tokens similar to cryptocurrency issued by Central Bank. Central Bank means here RBI. Which is the Central Bank in India? Everyone type fast. Which is the Central Bank in India? What is the name of Central Bank in India? Everyone type fast. It's not Central Bank of India. Remember, Central Bank of India, it's not that. Okay, Central Bank of India is a bank, but we call Central Bank to what? Which bank we call it as Central Bank? Okay, which is the bank? Everyone, it is RBI. Remember, RBI. That is the point. Always remember, Central Bank, whenever we say, we are talking of RBI. We are not talking of Central Bank of India over here. Okay, so what is CBDC? These are digital currencies, digital currencies issued as digital tokens, similar to cryptocurrency. You might have heard all that Bitcoin right now going on, right? Bitcoin, then various coins, this coin, that coin, many bankruptcies, right? Many of them frauds, everything having. So this is similar, but issued by central bank. What is the problem in cryptocurrency? The problem in cryptocurrency is the issuer who issues it. Okay, so when central bank or RBI issues it, you don't have the problem with the issuer. Tomorrow if you issue the cryptocurrency, okay, you issue it, you start a new cryptocurrency, so you can definitely start, but who will trust you? So that trust is an important part over here. Okay, so issued by central bank, they are pegged to the value of that currency's fiat currency. Means if I have 10 tokens of this CBDC, then it can be considered that I am having 10 rupees. But remember, it's not that I'll get 10 rupees note out of that CBDC. Many countries are developing CBDCs, and some have even implemented them. Now some have even implemented them means what? They are developing, but who has implemented it? Do you know which country has implemented it? Anyone knows? Yes, India has implemented it on that pilot stage. India has implemented Bharat, right? Now we call it Bharat, right? India Bharat, right? So we have implemented it. Okay, India has implemented it on the pilot stage right now. Pilots here, we have implemented it with 4 banks, right? SBI. Then what? It was SBI, ICICI Bank, then First Bank and Yes Bank, right? These were the IDFC First Bank. These were the 4 banks where the pilot was done. So some countries have even implemented it, because so many countries are researching ways to transition to digital currencies. It's important to understand what they are and what they mean for the society, right? Because that is the future. Remember, everything will be digital. Now what are we doing? We are using UPI, but UPI means what? I can get the notes out of that, right? But in CBDC you won't be getting the notes. Okay, no currency, physical currency. Okay, next one. Fiat money is a government issued currency. What is fiat money? Here, whenever we say fiat currency means what? It is issued by government. Means the trust is given by the government. In this case, we have RBI. What is RBI? RBI is from the government only, right? So, RBI's trust, it means government's trust. That is not backed by physical commodity like gold. So, no physical commodity is the basis of the CBDC, okay? Like gold or silver. It is considered to form the legal tender that can be used to exchange goods and services. So, now as I use this UPI payment, right? UPI from any vegetable vendor, right? Similarly, I'll be using this digital currency. Same logic, okay? The introduction and evolution of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology have created further interest in the cashless societies and digital currencies. So this is here. After all, CBDC is also a cryptocurrency. Only the point is, it is issued by central government or RBI. Okay, when it is issued by some trustworthy person, then anyone can trust it, isn't it? Yeah. So it is based on the blockchain technology basically. What is blockchain technology here? Its simple rule is, I'll tell you simple rule, BBAA. Blockchain means BBAA. What is BBAA? B is block, any transaction, block. Second B is broadcast, okay. Third is approve, means it will be approved by the team members. And last is add to the chain, okay. So this is BBA, simple concept. I have taken a separate topic on blockchain, okay, kindly follow that. CBDC could also decrease the maintenance cost in the complex financial system. Maintenance cost means what? Note printing cost. What is the note printing cost? Everyone remember, note printing cost is a huge cost, okay. Note printing, it's a huge cost, so that will be reduced. Also soiled notes, there won't be any soiled notes, because why? No note printing. So this is called as the maintenance. Cash transfer cost, all those vans from this to currency chest to RBI currency chest, everything is gone, isn't it? Reduce cross-border transaction cost, means forex charges. Presently, if you want to transfer any forex, foreign exchange, dollars to somewhere, so you have to pay huge charges. Those will be zeroized, you can say, almost zeroized, okay? And provide those who currently use alternative money transfer with low cost operations. So everyone who presently uses UPI will immediately shift to digital currency once he comes to know that it is useful to that person, right? So that's why CBDC is the future. Remember this, within next 1 or 2 years you will definitely see this. What are the types of CBDCs? There are two types of CBDCs. One is wholesale CBDC and second is retail CBDC. Okay, what is wholesale? Wholesale CBDCs are similar to holding reserves in the central bank. Means this is similar to that of RBI's reserve money, right? Reserve money. Does anyone know? Many of you don't know this. We have 5 types of money. M0, M1, M2, M3 and M4, okay? M3 and M4, got it? M0 is known as reserve money with RBI, reserve. M1 is known as narrow money. See here, I have taken separate topics on this. M3 is known as broad money. So remember, what are we talking of over here? Wholesale, similar to holding reserves in central bank, means this is similar to that of the M0, okay? Then retail CBDC. Retail CBDCs are government-backed digital currencies used by consumers and businesses. Means like you and me, we'll be using this CBDC. Okay. Retail CBDCs eliminate intermediary risk. The risk that private digital currency issuers might become bankrupt and lose customers' assets. So, after all, it's a cryptocurrency. Now there is a risk for using any cryptocurrency. Or why cryptocurrency? Even your notes. Right, when you had that notebandi in 2016, right, after that 1000 rupee note, if I give you tomorrow 1000 rupee note, that old one, okay, and tell you this is 1000 rupees, will you accept it? No, that has become a paper. Why has it become a paper? Because government has stopped backing it. Always remember, any note, any currency has a value until the time government backs it. Okay. So the risk that the private digital issuers might become bankrupt. If the issuer becomes bankrupt, then it's a problem, right? Now, as I told you about the new batch, this January 23 started, PPB, IFS, AFM and RBWM. All the 4 subjects will be covered. Okay. Also remember numericals, objective questions, theories, whatever is needed for this, it will be covered. Okay. Use the code Y432. How to use the code? I'll show you that. Okay. At the end of this question bank, I'll tell you. Okay. Let's go to the questions first. How CBDC will work in India? Number A, as a legal tender. Number B, not as a legal tender. C, as a private currency. And D, none of the above. So how will CBDC work? Legal tender. What is the legal tender? It means whatever is backed by, I'll say backed. Okay. Backed by RBI. Okay. Or government, you can say central government. But RBI is the main issuer of the currency always. Okay. So CBDC will work in India as a what? Legal, not a legal, or private. Is private company issuing this CBDC? No. Who is issuing CBDC? It is issued by this RBI only. So it will act as a legal tender, right? The answer is A. Obviously, isn't it? Who invented CBDC? My God, who is this? A. Avant Smart Card System created by Bank of Finland. Mastercard Smart Card System created by Bank of Finland. B. Okay. C. Visa Smart Card System created by Bank of Finland. And D. None of the above. So who invented CBDC? Mastercard system. Firstly, see here, option is very simple. Mastercard, Visa card. Do you see this Visa and Master have invented CBDC? Who actually invented it? Type fast. Check out and type fast. It is correct. A. Avant Smart Card, right? Avant Smart Card system created by Bank of Finland. Actually, this is the inventor of CBDC. There are many surprises, right? We think it might have been designed in some USA or some big countries, okay? But no, Finland designed it, okay? Which country has the most developed CBDC? Now, most developed. Who can be the same? USA, big company, big country, everyone is developing, right? USA, UK, Nigeria, India. Which has the most developed CBDC project? What do you say? Many of you are typing USA. No, answer is Nigeria. Nigeria has most developed CBDC project. Most developed, okay? So this is the advantage. The one who cracks the CBDC code will rule the world. Who will regulate CBDC? RBI, Finance Ministry, State Government, both A and B. Both A and B means this, RBI and Finance Ministry. A, B. D. So who will regulate CBDC? RBI, Finance Ministry, both. Correct. Answer is D, both. Right. Although RBI is the issuer of the currency, always remember RBI regulates the monetary policy. But after all, RBI is in support to the government always. RBI has no separate existence. Remember this. RBI is not autonomous. Government will always keep a check on RBI because RBI only looks out after monetary policy. Government looks out after fiscal policy. So that's important. Okay. Now, I was talking about this Y432 code and how to get the 80% discount. Okay. Let me show you over here. It's very simple. Say this. Go to Adda 24/7. Let me show you. Let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay. See here we are on the site. If you are having the app, go to the app. I would suggest. On the app you will be getting 1% extra. Okay. So click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Okay. Click on now JAIIB 23. Now you'll see the batches over here. Look at the batches. January 23rd. Just now started the batch. Okay. Click on this batch. Once you click on this, you will get the details of the batch. What details? Like the timings. What are the dates, what is the study plan, all the details. Okay, you can go through this. Also importantly, say this fee and the fees part 19,999. Okay, once you click on view offers, you'll be getting you'll get to know how to get the discounts. Okay, click on view offers, put the code Y432. Okay, click on apply. Now look at this, 19,999 reduces to 3,999.80. My God, 80% discount you are getting. So go for it immediately, because you will be having recorded sessions. If you miss out on any class, you can definitely get the classes again recorded. Also, you can ask the question there and then itself, two-way class. Okay. Okay, I'll show you something more also. Not only a single batch here. If you go for Mahapack, let me show you Mahapack. What is Mahapack? It's one of the best things. Mahapack means what? You get many classes in the same fees. Look at this, JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack. Click on this Mahapack. Okay. Now if you click on the Mahapack, you will see this. JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack, JAIIB ka Mahapack. I would suggest go for JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack. You are in JAIIB, and now right now offers are going on. So if you check the offers, look at this. Firstly, in Mahapack you will be getting many batches. Now how many batches? See this. 15 batches for JAIIB, 15 plus batches for CAIIB, right? 500 plus case studies, 30 plus full length mock test batches, okay? Full length mock tests, okay? Also importantly, look at this. Again, recorded videos are but obvious available. Now look at the offers. 53,996. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Now look at the fees part, okay? See this, 53,996 reduces to 10,799. My God, 80% off. If you go through the app, again 1% extra. Why am I stressing on these batches? I would say everyone should join this batch. Why am I stressing on this? Because look at the portion. The JAIIB portion for this May 23 has changed. What is the portion? Let's look at this, okay? Say this, 4 compulsory subjects. IFS, negative marking is removed now. 4 compulsory subjects, IFS, PPB, accounting and finance management for bankers, and retail banking and wealth management. So out of this, PPB and accounting was already there. IFS, Indian economy and in a financial system, that has been added new, and retail banking and wealth management has been added new. Legal has been removed. So negative marking is removed. That's a good sign for you all. So that's why I would suggest join the batches. You will be needing a mentor for this. Okay.